Welcome back to my channel or mine. It's been a while since I filmed a video. Those of you who knows me, I don't need to introduce myself, and those of you who don't know me and who are new to my channel, I'm AliceWalker.London. I do makeup and fashion videos. So nice to see you guys. This is the look that I'm going to be doing. I wanted to do actually a talk through video, but there's so much noise. There's the workers out there doing some work, and so maybe the next video is going to be a talk through, and I'm going to tell you guys where I've been and what I've been up to. The reason why I took this long break. I'm so excited to be back. By the way, this hair is from my hair collection, my hairline. It's called AWL Hair and Beauty, and this one I dyed it myself. I've got a video on this look on how I dyed the hair. If you want to see, I've got another channel called AWL Hair and Beauty. It's just a new channel that I've just started, so you guys can head up there and maybe subscribe to that channel as well. But if not, I will link it down here. And these earrings are from Sean's Beauty. I love it. You know, I've been wearing the earring. It goes perfectly with the hair. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I miss you guys so much and I love you guys so much. And for my old subscribers who have stuck with me all this while, God bless you guys. Mwah. Love you.
I can't get you out.
Yeah, I'm going to actually be combining the two foundations, Born This Way by Toofaced and Nars. This is absolutely my favorite foundation, but I haven't actually used this one. I used the other one, the illuminating one. So this one is the natural radiant one, which I'm going to be trying today. So I'm going to be combining the two. This is actually my perfect color, and this one is a little bit darker. I like when I put the foundation, I like it to be just slightly darker. It tends to look much better on my face. Again, I normally do my eye first, but today I'm going to be doing my foundation first.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? For this all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Take you there. I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there?